Okay, are we ready? Wait, let's get a drum roll. We need a drum roll, Amy. Also, are you ready? Whoa! Ah, little battle going on. That's cool. There she is. What's her name? Laura.
Should be a full contact.
Congratulations. Oh.
I want to go home.
Good game.
Good catch. Amy said she wanted this back. Okay.
You know what that means? You know what that
I
means?
had to keep her happy. Okay.
You know what that means?
Where am I? I see you.